Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financeable YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your password on GoCardless, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already created an account on GoCardless app and already logged in as well. And now right after that you will be able to see the interface or dashboard of the GoCardless app shown in the screen. So now to change your password, you can see there is a settings option at the top right corner of this dashboard. So let's tap on the settings first. And you can see there is a user settings just down below of your email address. So let's tap on the users settings. And you can see there is no any option to change your password in here. So what you can basically do is you need to scroll a little bit down unless you find the change your password option. So once you find it, you can see it is asking us to enter our new password in here. So you simply need to enter your new password in here, and finally tap on the save changes, and you will be able to change your password on GoCardless app successfully. So basically this is how you can change your password on GoCardless. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this very helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.